In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first you need to open list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select themes and wallpapers. And here you can choose the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from Theme Store, My Wallpapers, My Themes, Wallpapers, or Wallpaper Slideshow. Let me pick Wallpapers. And here you've got all the options. You can see how they look on your screen, and also here you can pick something from your own gallery. Just click on Gallery, and we have some downloaded pictures. As you can see here, you've got the layout of this particular picture. And let me, for example, put this one on my lock screen, and then let's go back to home screen. Let me cover it with this one, and then tap on Apply. Wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see from now on, wallpaper is home screen is covered with this new wallpaper, and also the lock screen is refreshed. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.